Hey everyone, Adrian here, Indiana Backyard Gardener. So today I am coming to you guys with a super special video. Um, I got an email from a local company here in Indiana, and it's called Doyle's Thornless Blackberry. So these blackberries have been cultivated for over 40 years here in Indiana. It's a local blackberry company, and they reached out to me and they asked me if I wanted to collaborate with them and grow some blackberries. Of course, I was ecstatic about the offer, and I was like, yes, of course, I would enjoy and I would be, most honored to collaborate with a local company here in Indiana. So like I said, the company is over 40 years old and they've been cultivating these blackberries. Um, they are everywhere. They're in all 50 states and Canada. They've sent blackberries to South America, Africa, and even China. So these plants are really hardy and they will grow just about anywhere. So from what I can read, they really produce a lot. So after your blackberries get established, which takes usually about 2 to 3 years, um, you can look to harvest, according to what I'm reading, you can look to harvest 10 to 20 gallons of blackberries per plant. Okay, guys? 10 to 20 gallons per plant? That's insane. So, yeah, and they're thornless. I don't know if I mentioned that. They're thornless. So there's a whole kit that you can order, and that's what I got here. So I'm going to go through what's in the box, and there's a bunch of tips here in this little booklet about soil pH and what type of environment and climate, when to plant, fertilization tips, mulching, like all that stuff, irrigation. There's all types of tips in here to help you be successful in harvesting 10 to 20 gallons of blackberries. And then also new this year, they are now offering this trellis. So he sent me a trellis for the blackberries as well. And I think that is amazing because I didn't realize when I planted my last blackberries that they were going to need a trellis like that. So I'm going to get in this box here. Let me show you what I got. All right, so I don't want to make a mess. So this is, let's see what this is. It just says large. Oh, it's a t-shirt. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Doyle's Thornless Blackberries. Oh my gosh, that is so amazing. Okay. All right, this is Rose Doyle's Blackberry Recipes. Let me get you guys a little bit further up. Here we go. So we got a recipe book, all types of blackberry recipes there. That's pretty cool. All right. So these must be the blackberries. There's a few of these little boxes in there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wow, look how healthy that is. Okay. All right, so there's 2 plants here. And they're packaged really well, and they are definitely like that right there, that tip, that can be planted and it'll take root and you'll have a whole nother plant. So there's two very nice looking plants there. This one's heavy. Okay, so this is the Doyles Natural Whole Fish Fertilizer. Look at that bottle. So that is a huge bottle. It is a quart. And I'm guessing you probably only need like a tablespoon or even a teaspoon at a time. So that's a lot. Oop, that's going to last a long time. So we got a fish fertilizer. This is root booster. So it's myco-inoculant for flowers, vegetables, trees, vines, and houseplants. So this is a root booster. 1/2 teaspoon sprinkled on transplant roots. That's amazing. So you have everything you need here in this kit to be successful with your planting. So you've got root booster, you've got fertilizer, you've got a trellis here. Like, what more could you ask for in this kit? I mean, you get everything here. And then here are some more healthy blackberry plants. Again, with those tips that look like they can just go in the ground and root right there. You see that? That'll root and be a whole nother plant. So that's 3, 4, 5. That's 5 plants. Five blackberry plants there. That essentially could be more, because those tips are, I'm telling you, those tips are ready to go and root in the ground. All right, what else do we have here? So these are the vine ties. Wow, look at that. There's 1,000 of them in here. 1,000 vine ties. That is awesome. That's really nice. And I'm not done yet. This right here is fertilizer. Premium All Natural 444 fertilizer. So this is Doyle's Premium All Natural Fertilizer. You mix 1/8 cup into the dirt, and after planting, spread, incorporate into the soil, add an additional 1/2 cup within a 6-inch diameter circle around the plant. After initial planting, fertilize with 1/2 cup in the spring, and again about 3 weeks after flowering starts. So yeah, fertilizers, root boosters, trellis, tie-ups. I mean, the whole kit and caboodle over here. And 2, 4, 5, did I say? Yes, 5 healthy blackberry plants. Very healthy blackberry plants. So I am very pleased with this kit. This has everything you need to be successful. Now, the trellis, I'll have to show you guys in the next video because I'm going to have to obviously assemble that. And I don't want to bore you guys here. But I do have a video to watch to show me how to assemble it. I probably can figure it out, but once I get it open and look at the pieces, I'll be able to see more on whether or not I can do that. But yeah, so I'm going to leave a link in the description, you guys. If you guys want thornless blackberries, this is the way to go. www.fruitsandberries.com, I believe is the, yes, www.fruitsandberries.com. They're located in Washington, Indiana. And like I said, I will be coming back with a second video for this on planting and putting together my trellis. So, yeah, shout out to Tom Doyle's Thornless Blackberry. I will leave all the information in the description for you guys in case you're interested in ordering. Like I said, these are in all 50 states. They are hardy down to zone 3. No protection needed. They are high producing. They yield high amounts of berries. So I'm excited. I'm so excited about having, you know, 10 to 20 gallons of blackberries. We love blackberries. So I'm so pleased and I'm so thankful to Tom Doyle's Thornless Blackberry for reaching out to me and asking me to collaborate with them. I'm so happy to do it, and I'm so pleased with the products. And I'm going to get these things planted, and I'm going to get my trellis put together, and we will be back. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Until next time, the more you know, the more you grow. Bye guys.